Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. Today, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to access and find where your program is in your miller and to show you how to upload the new program. Stay tuned. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so here's my machine. I'm going to show you guys how to access the modes or programs, whatever you want to call them, and then I'm going to show you how to download the new program into the USB. So I have the USB right here. This is my USB that I will be plugging in to the machine. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys. So you're gonna need to just turn your machine on, run. That's it. Just get it on. Just turn it on. Just turn it on. And it don't matter what mode it's in. You can put it in whatever mode you want. All right. Okay, so let's get into this. So first thing you're gonna need to do is you're going to need to turn it on run. Turn your machine on run. It's gonna turn on. Just turn it on. Just get it on. It's going to tell you how many hours you have on your machine. And then what you're going to need to do right here is you're going to need to hold this down. I don't know, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it goes. Hot start. Now you're going to need to stroll it. Hour meter, oil set, VRD, software. So as soon as you see software, click on it. You can see my software is F. That is for factory, I believe. That's what I was told. So the machine is still on factory. So let's go ahead and install this USB and see if it does anything different. All right, got that sucker installed. Okay, then it's going to ask if I want to install it, all of it, and you're going to need to click yes. So now that I've clicked yes, the machine is like flickering. It's doing something. All right, now it's looks like it's installing the program. So this is what I was told to do. I was told to insert the USB from the program that got downloaded from my email, and then it asked me to install it. I said yes, and so now it's installing it. Now I don't have the machine running, I just have it on run. All right, it looks like it's just going to keep counting, so I'm not going to record the whole time. Just going to kind of let it do its thing, and then we'll get back to you and show you guys what it did there. Installing that program. Beautiful Monday. Alright guys, so it looks like it's done. Oh, no. Looks like this might be one of the other programs that it's putting in there. So it basically counted all the way up to like 90 something, and now this is the new one downloading it. So again, we'll check back in and show you guys what the next one is. It looks like it's just going to keep installing them. There was maybe about 4 or 5, maybe 6 of them on the email. I forget how many were there, but I had to install all of them into the USB. So you got to get a big enough USB. I was told 3 gigabytes. I think that one is a 32 gigabyte, but 3 gigabytes should get you where you need to be. All right, guys. This one's getting up there in the 90s, so I thought I'd record it just in case it goes to the next program. It says all. It looks like all of them could be installed. Not quite sure. It's flickering again. It's doing some funny stuff. Going through all my settings, it looks like. Either that or my battery's dying, who knows. And nope, it looks like it's another programming itself. So don't pull out the USB, leave it in there, let it do its thing, guys. It looks like it's just going to continue to keep uploading the programs until it's done. I'm pretty sure it'll tell me it's finished. We'll be back for the next one, see what the next program is loading. Looks like it is still counting there. Keep going. This one's a little slower. Getting up there. Thought I'd put back on the camera to show you guys. Getting up there. It's probably getting close to the next program here. See what it does. This looks like a different software now that's going to start uploading. This one looks like it might take longer. Sorry about that. My cameras are all busted. I have to flip in between all three of them to give you guys what you want. It looks like this one's going to take a while to download. It's really slower compared to the other ones that have been going in there. But whatever you do, I turned it on at first and it didn't seem to be going in, so I turned it back off, and then it gave me the option if I wanted to install it or not. So it might give you the same deal. First, when I put it in, it didn't tell me yes or no. It just said ACC accept or whatever, and I didn't see anything happening, so I turned it on, pulled out the USB a couple times, turned it off, pulled out the USB again, put the USB back in, and now this is what's going on. It's actually installing the program. This is program M, so I'm excited. Once it gets done downloading, we'll go ahead and start the machine again, or try to get into the software here and show you if it's in the machine. Remember, I showed you guys that it was on F for factory. We're going to see what it is next. All right, guys? It's moving along, actually. Moving pretty rapidly. About to be done with this one here. It's going to switch to the next. I just want to catch it all on video for you guys because I want to show you the whole process of this program installing. Software installing. Oh, looks like might have done it. That might be it. So I'm gonna, at this time right now, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the USB. Oop, wrong one. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna set it down. Now let's hold it down again. Let's try to get into the software. Dig. Nope. It just took me to my dig range, which is okay. See, so this is my dig range. My hot start. Oh, never mind. Hour meter. Here we go. If you stroll it. Oil setup, oil reset, software. Let's click on software. Software M. Bam! Looks like I got the software in there. It's software M. Mad shout out to Tyler for sending that to me. I appreciate it. Thank you. Looks like I'm ready to rock and roll, guys. So we're gonna try it out now and see how she welds, baby. Stay tuned. All right, I'm out here. I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I got going on here. I put the program into the machine. I got it set at 25 stiff because that's how I like to roll. When I turn it on and go to the dig range, I have it set at 150. It's as high as I could go. I'm just gonna leave it there. Looks like I'm liking it on 167 amps for the 1/8-60-10 bead rod on the 16-inch pipe. I might have to go up in it, I don't know. But I was liking it, it was spilling good. So I had to come over to my hot start and turn it up to 1. Yeah.